Welcome to SpiceCandies. Well, today we have a mystery candy. Today it's up to you to name the candy. And this is the material we're going to use for the candy making. Not sure if you can see it properly. Let's shift it to another cup. It's very flaky. It's finely chopped, but still flaky. And it has a wonderful aroma. Write down below your guess, and you'll see in a minute if you're right or wrong. Okay. I hope you've written something, because the correspondence in my channel is not really good. Here's another hint, and now you probably know what this is, right? It's 4 o'clock time. It's tea time. And this is, in case you were wondering, Earl Grey tea. Now, if you'll notice, I did not fill the cup, because if I would, I'd have to evaporate a lot of water. Instead, I'm soaking the leaves and getting it concentrated. Maybe a little bit more. But not too much. I wish you could smell it. This is really good. Okay. We're good enough. After roughly 30 seconds to 1 minute, the tannins are starting to leach out of the tea leaves, so it's time to stop the process. Otherwise your tea is going to be extremely bitter. So we have a nice cup of tea, roughly 1/3, about 70 ml. I suggest we do something productive with it. What else can we do? This is the candy channel, isn't it? And these make actually really good candies. I love these. So let's get cracking. Sugar. Obviously. This is a candy. And by the way, in Hebrew, a candy is sukkah, and sukkah is sugar. So it's basically a small sugar. Freely translated, of course. Oops, forgot the spoon. Oops, almost there. There we go. A little bit of stretching in the morning. That's actually it's in the evening. These days I have a longer commute time to work because I've shifted my work time. So sadly, I don't have the time in the morning to make the candies anymore. There we go. Now, in goes. And I'm not pouring these granular bits just the clear stuff. As you can see, we got quite a bit of water to evaporate, so for me it'll take about 15 to 20 minutes to get all this evaporated, but that's fine. That's the way to go. Here we go. We can pour. Oh boy, it's spreading. These are going to be really thin candies. I'm trying to square up the edges. No. I think it's cool enough to cut. A bit hard to cut candies while you're hugging a camera, but as you can see, it's doable. One thing I would like to tell you guys, that I've been starting to be more active on Instagram. So if you want to see images before the video comes out, please do subscribe. For example, this is going to be an image on Instagram, as well as some of the cooking, because it looks really nice. Okay, so we'll just let it cool off. As you can see, it got a really nice tone, basically Earl Grey tone. And it's ready to go. It's nice and clear, it's smooth, cooled off. There we go. They're a bit sticky because they haven't really cooled off to room temperature, and there's a way to handle that, just like working with dough. You have to powder your hands, and then that's really easy. Kind of looks like glass, doesn't it? colored windows. If you're an artist in the field of colorful window making and you'd like to make some from candies, well, give me a line. That would be interesting. It didn't break according to the line. I don't know if you can see that. This is a shard. It's just like glass. It will cut you real easy. So you have to be careful. Candies are dangerous. I'm just kidding. But you can get cut. Okay. Let's do a trial run. Really nice. Definitely Earl Grey. Now this is a surprise. I knew about it, so. But I like this candy, so. So it's time to make some of the guys in my new workplace. Hopefully they'll like it too. Not a lot of tea persons there. Maybe we'll convert some of them. Okay, so hope you enjoyed it. This is really nice. And I'll see you in the next candy making, and have a sweet day. It does take a little bit longer to make this candy, but if you're interested, drop me a line. I'll give you quantities